My name is Geetika. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tasty mint leaf chutney. Now let me show you the ingredients that we need. The ingredients that we need for this recipe are 1.5 tablespoons of oil, chilies according to your taste, chopped fresh coconut, chopped onions, salt to your taste, mint leaves, and last ingredient, tamarind. First, take a pan and let it heat for a while. Then add the oil. The oil is already hot because we heated the pan earlier. Now I'm adding the chilies and then the mint leaves into it. Now I'm going to fry it for a while. Did you know that the mint leaves contain a lot of nutrients? After letting it fry, I'm going to add the tamarind. A blender, and I'm going to blend the fresh coconut. After blending, this is how it looks, and I'm going to add in the fried chili and the mint leaves. This chutney tastes very nice with rice. Then I'm going to add in the salt and blend it all together. This is how it looks now. Now I'm going to add the chopped onions and mix it together. Remember not to blend it. Mint is very healthy. It can also improve your brain function. I mixed it well and this is how it looks. I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. The mint leaf chutney is ready. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And share this video to your friends and family. Bye.